Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about NMET Syllabus 2023. Let's take the NMET Syllabus 2023 highlights. Graduate Management Admission Council said NMET Syllabus. NMET Syllabus 2023 is divided into three sections: language skills, quantitative skills and logical reasoning. The exam duration is 120 minutes. There will be sectional time limit. The section with the highest time limit, quantitative skills, is 52 minutes. The section with lowest time limit, language skills, is 28 minutes. There were no changes in NMET syllabus last year. It is expected that syllabus will remain the same as before. NMET 2023 question paper will comprise 108 MCQs, 36 in each section, to be attempted in 2 hours. Let's take the NMET syllabus 2023 for the quantitative aptitude. In arithmetic, the important topics are time and work, percentage, average, age, speed, ratio and proportion, time and distance, pipes and cisterns, mixtures, alligation, profit and loss, discount train, boats and streams. In algebra, the important topics are sequence and series, quadratic equation, permutation and combination, inequalities. In number system, the important topics are HCF and LCM and product of numbers, BODMAS, simplification, units, digit theorem and number of zeros. In lines, parallel lines, transversal, perpendicular lines, collinearity, types of angles and their properties. In circles, chords, concentric circles, circumscribed circle, inscribed circle, semicircle, sector theorems. In polygons, quadrilaterals, parallelograms, square, rectangle, rhombus, trapezium, angles and diagonals of polygons. In triangles, theorems, right angled triangles, equilateral triangles, median, centroid, congruent triangles, similar triangles, perpendicular, bisector. In trigonometry, the important topics are trigonometric ratios, identities, theorems, height and distance, applications of trigonometry. In mensuration, area and volume of rectangles, squares, triangles, circles, spheres, cubes, cuboids, cones, cylinders, etc. Area of shaded regions, area under curves. In data interpretation, the important topics are question sets are based on the information given in the form of chart, pie comparison, graph, bar, multiple line, tables, cascades involving data analysis, expression of information and calculation. In data sufficiency, the questions will be followed by 2-3 statements are given based on any of the application-based arithmetic topics, and you are required to tell whether 1, 2 or all statements are sufficient to answer the given question. Let's check the important topics of NMET quantitative skills syllabus. Number system, pipes and cistern, time, speed and distance, LCM and HCF, algebra, problems on numbers, ages, geometry, 2D and 3D geometry, percentage, trigonometry, height and distance, profit and loss and discount. Let's check the NMET syllabus 2023 for logical reasoning. 36 questions of moderate difficulty level will be asked in the NMET section. The time allotted has been increased from 38 to 40 minutes. There is no provision of negative marking for wrong responses. Based on the last year's analysis, it can be observed that an equal number of questions are asked from verbal and non-verbal reasoning parts of NMET syllabus. However, there is no definite pattern of the types of questions. Hence, candidates should prepare equally well for both the verbal and non-verbal reasoning syllabus. Candidates must focus only on the information given in the questions and do not use any other facts of GK or assume any other information, as it will lead to false answers. This section focuses on the derivation of inferences and conclusions slowly based on the facts and statements given in the questions, and it does not matter if it is true or not in real life. Let's check the important topics for NMET logical reasoning. Statements and argument, puzzle, classification, data sufficiency, number series, counting of figures, blood relation, mirror image and water images. Distance and direction, paper folding and cutting, syllogism, assumptions, Venn diagram, figure completion, clock, cube and dice. In quintile output, the expected number of questions in between 8 to 10. In syllogism, the expected number of questions in between 3 to 4. In ranking, the expected number of questions in between 1 to 2. In the Venn diagram, the expected number of questions in between 2 to 3. In statement, assumption and conclusion, the expected number of questions in between 2 to 3. In critical reasoning, the expected number of questions in between 4 to 5. In puzzle, the expected number of questions in between 2 to 3. In course of action, the expected number of questions in between 4 to 5. Let's check the NMET syllabus 2023 for language skills. Language skills section of NMET 2023 exam will check the candidate's proficiency and understanding of the English language and its grammatical usage. Candidate must prepare for this part of NMET section as per the updated syllabus and paper pattern for NMET 2023 exam. 36 questions of moderate difficulty level are asked from this section. The time allotted for this section is 28 minutes. No provision of negative marking for the incorrect answer. Questions in NMET syllabus for verbal ability will be based on antonyms, synonyms, error detection, grammar usage, para jumbles, fill in the blanks, etc. 3-4 RC passages having 3 to 4 questions each can be expected in NMET 2023 exam. Let's check the important topics for language skills. Reading comprehension, error detection, passages, sentences, correctness, English grammar, vocabulary, English usage, poems, synonyms and antonyms, spelling and dictionary meanings, fill in the blanks, idioms and phrases, jumbling of sentences, writing ability. In reading comprehension passages, expected number of questions in between 12 to 14. Error detection, expected number of questions in 4 to 5. In para jumbles, expected number of questions in between 4 to 5. Fill in the blanks, expected number of questions in between 5 to 6. Let's check the NMAT exam pattern 2023. Quantitative aptitude consists 36 number of questions and the allotted time is 52 minutes. Logical reasoning consists 36 number of questions and the allotted time is 40 minutes. Language skills consists 36 number of questions and the allotted time is 28 minutes. To know more details, you can visit our website and also leave a comment if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.